Is this thing on? What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If you guys can see here, I'm filming off my new vlog camera that I mentioned in the last video. It is a Canon G7X Mark II. On this camera is amazing compared to the GoPro. I mean, look at this. I also have my LEDs on my garage, on my walls, like in my face, so that's why the lighting is amazing right now. But just look at this. Just look at this. It's so weird having like a good quality camera. And then I have the flip up screen up top, which I'm not trying to look at, but this is my new vlog camera. Welcome back to the channel. My name's Viet, otherwise known as F8x. I want to thank you guys for watching another video. Today's gonna be a short one. Just gonna introduce my new vlog camera. I decided to do the intro on it first because I wanted you guys to see the difference between my GoPro and my GoPro quality or my iPhone quality and the Canon G7X quality. It's just night and day. So again, thank you guys for watching. If this is your first time, I invite you to like, comment, and subscribe for future content. We got some exciting videos planned this week, so stay tuned for that. Thank you for tuning in with me and my dogs. I'm in my garage right now, trying to just get a feel for this, making sure I look at the camera lens and not the flip-up screen that's above it right now. It's kind of hard sometimes because you want to make sure you're in good frame and lighting and stuff like that, but I think it's turning out sick, and I can't wait to vlog on this moving forward. So yeah, I'm gonna do a little walk around of my garage and maybe outside in my backyard as well, just so you guys get a feel of the camera quality and how stable it is and how clear it is. Here's a look at it, Canon G7X. I'm gonna insert a clip after this of unboxing it. I think I recorded with my GoPro or my iPhone, one of the two, and I'll switch back over to the G7X footage moving forward. But as you can see here, the quality is unmatched for a camera at this price range. The camera itself is pretty old, but look at the quality. It's actually mind-blowing. I mean, it picks up everything from the lighting, even low light. It picks up amazing, and the image stabilization is amazing. But I just wanted to give you guys more walk around of my garage, and the quality and the autofocus is amazing. I mean, look at my car, it looks sick. I mean, this is exactly how it looks like in person too, all cleaned up, all glossy. Another thing that's crazy is in low light, the camera adjusts so well. And even when there's like barely any light in the garage, which I'll turn off some right now, I mean, you can still see, and the camera adjusts very well. I mean, I'll even give you an example with these LED lights turned off as well. Switch. I mean, look at that. My GoPro could never adjust to this low light. This is basically pitch black minus the LED lights and my desk lamp, and this is crazy. Even being able to see my black F80, my black car in this light, I mean, like I said before, my GoPro could never do this. So this is mind-blowing to me. Like I said before, I'm gonna show you the unboxing of this and tell you guys why I went with the Canon G7X. And then we'll wrap up this video by showing you some more footage, maybe some B-roll But yeah, hope you guys enjoy. I'm really excited to step up the quality of my vlogs and the content I'm putting out. So step one was definitely getting a new camera. Sorry for this mess in my garage. I still have organizing to do, but step one was definitely getting a new vlog camera. I've been holding off on it for so long, so I'm super excited, if you guys can tell. Yo, look what just came in the mail. I'm pumped. I can't believe it. My new vlog camera just arrived. This is the Canon G7X that I talked about in the last video. We're about to step up the vlog game for real. You already know, repping the dolphin slippers all day. But dude, oh my God, I can't wait to unbox this. Recording on my iPhone now, just to do like an intro to the camera. And then I'll switch over to the actual G7X for part of this vlog, but I just wanted to do an unboxing real quick, show you guys the camera itself before I start filming on it, and then also tell you guys why I went with the G7X. But let me unwrap this real quick. Yo, I am freaking pumped though to have a new vlog camera. Like I said before, I'm trying to up the game of my vlogs and the quality of the content that I'm putting out. So first step one was definitely getting a new vlog camera. Super happy with the way it came. Packaging was very good. And like I said before, I got this for a super good deal I couldn't pass up on. So let me take this out of the bag and then I'll get back with you guys. All right, here it is, the Canon G7X Mark II. Like I said before, I got this for a super good deal I couldn't pass up on. It was used from a friend of mine. So there's like some cosmetic defects and stuff, but the camera lens itself is protected and it has this flip-up screen, has all these settings on it. Everything's built in. It has Wi-Fi, so you can transfer video or photos to your phone directly, just like the GoPro. It's so portable compared to my Nikon, and it literally could fit in your pocket. And the crazy thing is the quality of this camera is so good. I think it shoots in 1080p, but it looks like 4K. A big reason why I got this camera is because of how portable it is, the quality, and the fact that you don't really need an external mic. And also a bunch of YouTubers that I watch in Cali, automotive YouTubers, like car YouTubers like Finding Nick, Lime Rock M3, or Life with KG, and a couple others use the same camera. And I always see their vlogs, and I'm always watching their vlogs on a weekly basis. And the quality is amazing, the sound quality is amazing. So I said, why not for the price range that it's in? I mean, it's the best beginner, I think, vlogging camera in its price range. And you don't have to lug around a big DSLR with an external mic that's super heavy and super inconvenient to bring around sometimes. This is super portable. All I need is my battery, the camera. Maybe I'll get an extra battery someday and you're good to go. I mean, I can't wait to start using this for vlogs, upping the quality, using the screen, of course, to you know, frame myself and get good lighting. So I'll show you how the quality is in a little bit, but again, super happy with the Canon G7X. Highly recommend this camera. I'm super excited to get started with this. So I'm gonna switch over to the G7X now, and I'll show you guys the quality of that. What's going on, guys? I just finished recording some more footage for this video. As you can see here, I'm playing it back. This camera is sick. The screen goes up and down, and I can literally sit at my desk and watch the footage, make sure the sound and the video quality is all good before I upload it, and it's just so sick. There's so many cool settings on it. I've been watching YouTube videos for the last couple weeks, but it's so weird seeing myself on camera now, but in good quality, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna switch over to the Canon and show you guys what it looks like outside. Look at these two lazy heads. This is Aston, by the way, that's Kona. And this is the bed that's in my garage, and sometimes they share it, and that's so freaking cute. But watch this. Hey guys, you wanna go outside? Let's go, let's go. Let's go. Welcome to our backyard. But yeah, look at this quality, guys. Quality is amazing. Alright guys, that's gonna wrap it up for today's vlog though. Thank you guys for watching. I invite you to leave a like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for tuning in, watching this new vlog camera setup. I'm super excited to be filming on it moving forward, so stay tuned for future content. Thank you for hanging out with me and my dogs today. I hope you guys like the quality, and we're gonna up the game from now on. So thank you again for watching. Peace out.